In this mind of mine, I took time to find more time to be fine. As my thoughts incline and climb and I refuse to let heathen drain energy from I. Monsters are creeping, thinking I'm sleeping. I'm fully awake, 4 decades pleading, fighting while smiling, even while I'm weakened. The journey continues, even while I'm bleeding. You'll never make it. Ignore their speaking, their fiction, sitting and misleading. Persuasion invasions, beasts and zombies trying to control me but can't understand me. Be silent. Shh. I fight without violence. Spoken words subdue you like a hostage tyrant. I am your children's children. It's your assignment. Writing myself in the future with provoking highlights to capture your eyesight. I need you to understand me. It's pointless you try and ban me. I'm fueling the world with words like bright lights. Mark Russ. I write what I like. Whether or not they like, it's my choice. I'm greater than your thought. Tell them precisely. Not your ear. The fight continues, and there are many others just like me.